Your audio not up to par? Upgrade your audio experience with our easy guide on downloading and updating the Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 11 or 10. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to ensure your sound quality is top-notch. From accessing the official Realtek website to updating drivers with ease, follow along for a hassle-free solution to enhance your audio performance. Tune in and elevate your listening experience today. Step 1. Go to the official Realtek website or your device manufacturer's support page. Step 2. Locate the audio or sound section. Step 3. Find the latest Realtek HD audio driver compatible with your operating system. Step 4. Download the driver file to your computer. Step 5. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it. Step 6. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Step 7. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and choose Update Driver. Step 8. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and choose the downloaded driver file. Step 9. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 10. Restart your computer to apply the changes.